Alright now, boy. Let's go put this bad boy in the water. Hopefully there are no gators in there. What's up, guys? Tommy's Reptiles here. Let's test out this IceFox camera.
We're going to unbox and test out the IceFox UHD 4K action camera. First thing you'll see is the instruction manual. Next up, I'll be opening the accessory box, and wait till you see how many accessories this camera comes with. You can't beat this for the price. Now we'll take a look at the actual camera itself. It comes inside of its waterproof case. And you can mount this waterproof case on multiple things and swap out mounts and everything. You could put it on a rod or on your wrist, whatever you want to put it on, you could pretty much put it on. Not a bad looking little camera we got here. Here I laid out everything that the camera came with, and it was a surprise to me that all this stuff fit inside the box. Comes with a waterproof case, bicycle mount, USB cable, 2 batteries, 360 rotating screw, long thumb screw, another long thumb screw, extension mount, J-hook, bandage, adapter, adhesive pads, flat adhesive pads, release buckles, insurance tether strap, bracelet remote, and another mount. Time to charge up these batteries. Now I'm going to remove the camera from the waterproof case so I can show you guys what the camera itself looks like. On the front you have a nice little screen. On this side you put the memory chip or charge it. There's another screen. Here's the select buttons. On top you have the on and off button, and on the bottom is where you put the battery. Let's slide in that memory chip real quick. The battery's charged pretty quick, so let's give this puppy a test run. This is how you insert the battery, pretty easy. Just pop it in, close it shut. Let's power this camera on for the first time. The first thing you see is that cool IceFox logo. Then you choose your setting and you're ready to film. Snap Pro is the app that you use in conjunction with this camera, so you can download your footage directly to your phone. Now I'm just going to scroll through and show you guys all the options that you can choose for this camera. Besides normal video, this camera also has slow-mo, loop video, time-lapse, and other photo options. Here I'm testing out the slow-mo quality, having my dog chase me around the yard. Next, I'm going to showcase some of my reptiles using the IceFox action camera.
We're out here at my frilled dragon enclosure. Let's give them something to eat. Alright now, boy. Let's go put this bad boy in the water. Hopefully there are no gators in there.
I was excited to test this out underwater, but unfortunately the pond behind my house was murky, but you can still see the underwater video quality is pretty solid. At one point I actually turned the camera to the right and the water gets much more clear. Over here it's all murky though, like I said before. But here it is. You can see how clear it looks. And that's the IceFox action camera. Thank you for watching Tommy's Reptiles.